Hello.
We arrived to Estonia, my
You need
country.
to open like this. But...
We rented a car and we are driving from the capital to my city to have a burger because we are hungry. And then later we drive another 50 kilometers to my mom's place and we're gonna surprise her. Yoo-hoo! Really nice outside.
Really?
I know that you're trying to fix me, but I don't wanna be like you. If you wanna take it back to the 50s, maybe I'm not the guy for you.
Hello everyone. Eating burger.
Too late. You can't see anything. So good.
Eating burger in the middle of the parking lot of my city.
Say no, I'm not like you, I don't think that you get it. You should go and get out, I'll make you regret it. Someone like
How are you?
Nobody expects me to. So you can keep your suit and your tie, gotta hope that it strangles you.
Good morning
Good morning, guys. How are ya?
from Otapa.
Where are we going, babe? Explain.
Otapa.
Where
Which is going to a tiny
little village.
little village in the middle of the mountains.
Mountains. Mountains.
And we are in the car with my sister. Hi.
New entry. We got a lake here.
Yay.
Okay, guys, so this one is the ski jumping tower. Here there is the coach tower. Then you start from there, you go and jump. Obviously this one is without snow, so use a little bit of imagination. You are right, more or less over there. Record Estonian 102 meters. Okay, literally translate the Holy Lake.
I'll be over the hills in a minute or so. If you need me, just blink and I will let you know.
Can you see here Dalai Lama? Dalai Lama was in here on 1991 at 10 o'clock, 10:45, and he put a blessing on this lake, on this land.
This is the sign. He was here.
Am I losing my cool right down to the spine? Come on, lift me.
Beaches in Estonia without oceans.
Type of beaches.
Without oceans.
Without ocean.
Lake.
And lake.
Come on, lift me
So this one is the typical Estonian swing. My personal opinion, looks really dangerous.
It's the end of the year, but the love is still here. On the road to a place where there's nothing to fear. Do you feel in your heart that I am your man? Do you feel in your heart that I do understand? Come on, lift me up. 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 Make a move with a twist to the right.
Estonian barbecue.
There is nothing to fear, nothing you will do.
Just took it from the bush. From the bush.
From the backyard. backyard.
He's Muesli, the biggest dog I never seen in my life. Yeah, exactly. Just so, like it's a horse, so like you can ride it.
Trying to explain the rules
Trying to explain the rules
in Estonian.
in Estonia. Storione, yeah. Good morning.
Hello, welcome from my countryside. Here we are. We found this little gem. There are plants of marijuana growing legally. We don't know how, and they have like the whole field. And we have a surprise for you guys. Enjoy.
Ta-da!
ملقي الشرف بعد متيستيو مرلي مقعد وذاكتانو وقونا هوين مولاتاي
Welcome to my garden, guys. If you wanna see and visit me.
ميان ميركا مغناراي
Massive. It's like a labyrinth.
Yes, it's a labyrinth. And you can choose if you want to go here or you want to go to the other side.
Guys, where you wanna go? This way or this way?
Let's go this way. There's
Then we
a
make
sign.
like
مرباني وكلو مقنو أما لهاي من بيك سور مرتو مشغولي مركان مرسو تيريو قلبي جنكم مصروف
left, right. Nope. Nope. Okay guys, this is a labyrinth. We are going in the middle of the marijuana plant for like 10 minutes now. I think we are lost. Nope. Nope. Nope.
We are stuck in a marijuana field. Totally stuck. Don't know how to get out. It's a labyrinth.
Yeah! And now guys, I have a surprise for you.
Surprise, surprise, mosquitoes.
See you soon.
شميدو مالبكي كميري جرتاد مركاتي رسي معان سادايه ميدبك كمال دهي مسكي